Hey everyone, what's up? Garrett here, and welcome back to another video as part of this building a portfolio website in React series. So in the previous videos, what we did was we've now completed the homepage. So we have our hero component here, as well as our portfolio or our carousel component down here, which is made up of the card component, which has the card info component in it. And that's what changes when we click on it. We basically display the card info component. The other thing that we did is we built the header as well as the footer, and we've also more or less built all of the structure that we're going to need for our website. We actually did that in like one of the first videos. However, what we've not done is we haven't really done anything with the about page or the contact page. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to get the about page out of the way. In the next video, we're going to build the contact page, which will be the form that we use, as well as just the form. It'll be the contact page, which will be the form. And then in the last video after that will be the back end of our website that we need to basically be able to run whatever form request the user sends, which of course we know what they're going to do. They're basically going to fill out our contact form, hit send, and then our backend will email it to us essentially. So go to your about page inside of your file explorer here. And what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this, which is now just saying that the about page works, and indeed it does. We will then create a div, and inside of this div, we're going to have two components. One is going to be our hero component, which we created a while back at this point. The other component that we're going to make is for our content, and it will essentially style the content and format it into the way that we want so that it fits the structure. And we're going to use this component on both the about page right now when we make it, as well as the contact page when we make it in the next video. So let's go and do that. What we're going to do now is we will add our hero component, and this will basically just take in, I believe, that's okay that doesn't work. This hero component takes in our case, well, it can take in a title, subtitle, and text. But however, right now we're just going to be using the title, and that's totally fine. It doesn't actually have to take in everything. We can just use whatever we want. And that's totally cool. So we're going to do props dot, let's see, what do we have here? Props dot title right there. Okay, cool. So let's add that. Props dot title. We'll save that, and already we're almost there. Okay. So now that we've done that, it's time to go work on our content component. So let's create a new file. We'll call this content.js. And we will, like normal, import React from React. And then we will create a function. This will be called content. It'll take in props. And we will also export default content, and that's it. Now let's go and return something. We will return, in this case, so we will now return inside of here a container. Make sure that gets imported as well. Inside of that container, we're going to have a row. Make sure that gets imported as well. And then we're going to have a column. Make sure that gets imported as well. I don't know why VS Code didn't do it for me automatically there, but it didn't. So I will just add it in really quick. And then now that we've done that, let's now put in here props.children, which is a special React prop that you can do, and I'll show you how it works later. Basically, this is a special thing that whatever you pass in between these two element tags, inside your component that you want to use this component in, it'll basically automatically render that stuff to this inside of here right there. And it's a great way that you can just kind of wrap whatever you want, right? If you don't necessarily know what that's going to be beforehand, you can just kind of wrap whatever you want in this structure that you create inside of your component. If you're familiar with Angular, this is the same thing as doing ng content and using that inside of one of your components. So let's create or finish off with the column, and we'll set that to 8. Okay, and then we will also set this fluid to true. Whoops. And then we will also set this class name to be justify content center. And now we should, in theory, be able to use this here. So let's try content, make sure that gets imported. It looks like it did. Let's just try typing in hello, see how that works, and it works right there. Okay, how great is that? So you see what I mean? So anything that we put right inside of here, in between our two tags here, the starting and ending, gets put wherever props.children are, and if we delete that, this goes away. Okay, so in our case, we're not going to put in we're not going to put in hello. We're actually going to put in the content that I have personally on my website. I would encourage you guys, actually I'm not going to take it from there, I'm going to take it from over here. But I would encourage you guys to put in whatever content you want to about yourselves so that people can see how awesome you guys are. So I'll add that in. We'll hit save, and boom. I've got exactly what I have over here, minus this sizing and spacing is a little bit different, but that's cool. I actually want it to be the way it is right now, that we just have it. And basically, that's it. So now our about page is completely done. Everything looks pretty good. So we can go to home page and about page. Everything looks pretty good. Maybe it's a little weird that it's over to the side. I think I'm going to keep it like that on mine. Feel free to change it if you want to on yours. Totally up to you. Who knows? Maybe I'll want to change it in the future. But either way. So that was it for this video. Really quick one. I just didn't really think that it made sense to put it in with the contact page stuff. I wanted it to be its own thing, although they will all be uploaded together. But either way, really quick. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, definitely give me a thumbs up. And comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing, or if there's anything that you guys think I could be doing better. Also, since we're now coming up to the end of this series, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think I should do next? Like, what kind of videos do you guys want to see after this series is over? And I'll do my best to get to them. And also, if you're enjoying the videos, definitely subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.